Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, access Play Store, tap on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. From here, you need to download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Now tap on while using the app, choose Allow and click on Home button. Over here, you need to select iOS Launcher, tap on Always and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!